Good morning. It's Friday, August 16th, 2019. This is Mark Burch from Burch and Associates. I'm happy to be here today and tell you that, summer's over and it's back to school time. So one of the things I want to talk to you about are tuition credits. Mary and I were talking about it last night. Parker is off to college this fall and he starts next week, and we're like, what do we need to keep track of? Well, what I want to tell you is we need to keep track of all of our receipts for college, and hopefully the colleges do a good job of documenting those things, and our kiddos need to be aware that they can log in online and get us the information that's necessary. But why do we need that? Well, the question is, what is a tuition credit? We have a couple of different tuition credits that we need to be aware of. One is called the American Opportunity Credit, and that one is up to a $2,500 tax credit. Part of it is used to offset taxes, and part of it can be refundable. And then the other credit is the Lifetime Learning Credit, which is up to $2,000 credit. And that is a credit that can be used to offset taxes. So there's some lucrative tax credits out there should we qualify for them. They're obviously income-based and can be phased out. Some of the other things that we need to be aware of too is some of our kids might have some taxable scholarships or grants. Maybe they're on a full ride, which is great, but it can pose some tax implications to them. And at the same time, we may want to make some of those taxable, some of those grants or scholarships taxable to maybe free up some ability to get some tax credits. It is a very complex situation when we have kids in college. The other thing that I want to tell you too is that when you have a kid in college, it's very important that they don't get in a hurry to file their tax return. I know they are, wanting to get their refunds if they have some coming, but it's very important that we coordinate that with the parents' return to make sure that everything is handled properly and the maximum refunds can be derived by filing both returns at the same time. So there's a lot to think about. Of course, if you have questions, one of the great resources, besides us, is you can go to irs.gov and type in education credits. It'll take you to a link on their page where they have a bunch of frequently asked questions. They also have a link to publication 970, which gives us a great amount of detail on how the tuition credits work. So it's back to school time. For us, it's kind of back to work time. We still have some work to do here to finish up with extensions and things. And so we're hoping to get all of that handled this fall. So that's it for today. I appreciate your time. And if you have any questions, please go to our website, www.markburch.com, or you can call us at the office at 402-483-4791. Thanks and have a great day.